to risk 1% of your account when you are looking at $10,000 in your balance is difficult. So what I advise is that you deposit the $10,000 in your broker. After depositing the $10,000 in your broker, each day you open a trading account and you deposit just $100. Now, don't forget you are still risking 1% of your $10,000, but you are not risking 1% per trade anymore. You are risking 1% per day. So deposit $100 into your trading account, then you are to risk all. And trust me, if you're losing just that $100. If you're making money, is either from 500, 1K. There are good days I've made 2,000, 2,500. And on my if I deposit that 10K in just one trading account, it will be difficult to follow that rule. Why? Because after a bad trade, I might be tempted to take more trade now. But if I'm losing this account, trust me, I'm losing just the $100. And the losses is in line with the industry standard, while the profit is far, far, far beyond the industry standard. Why? Because on a 10K account, you are to be risking $100 and to be making at least 1:3. You understand, which is making three. But in this way of trading, I'm risking $100 to make minimum 500, 1K, 1.5, 2K, depending on the market condition. This is another way of trading smart. You are not risking your entire deposit, you're risking just what you are capable of losing per day. And with this, you're going to have 100 trading days. And trust me, out of 100 trading days, if you know the win rate and the losing rate of your strategy, like as for my strategy, on every 100 trade, I am bound to lose just 30 and win 70. And with my risk to reward ratio now, if you deposit the whole 10K dollar in one account and you're risking $100 per trade, making $300, that's 1:3, right? But if you are doing it this way, you're making either 1:10, 1:8, 1:15, even 1:20 is achievable trading gold on a good day. This risk to reward ratio is totally abomination in the industry standard. But to make money in Forex, you have to trade smart. You don't just need to follow the whole rules. We are not risking too much, but we are making too much. And if you are trading your whole 10K in one account, it will be difficult. Or trust me, there are days you'll be tempted to actually revenge a trade. And what kills account is not just one bad trade. What will damage your trading account is the activities you do after having one bad trade. You understand? So if it's a bad trade, it's a bad day. You wait for another day. He that fights and run away will live to fight another day. But if you try to revenge in an ongoing fight, you might not even have the strength. And one bad thing about trade is that one little indiscipline can wipe out your entire weeks of profit. So if you're having a bad trade, understand that it's a bad day and just move on. There will go, there are going to be other days. Don't try and take back what the market has taken from you. You are here to take back. You are here to take what is in front of you, not to take back what you've lost. These are the mindset. I'm going to make a video. My next video is going to be the mindset of a trader, or how a trader is to approach the market on a daily basis. I've seen a lot of people that are always stuck to one position. They are always stuck to one setup. They're in the market to buy, and I tell myself I'm not in the market to buy, I'm not in the market to sell, I'm in the market to make money. With this mindset, I am not stuck to just one particular setup. You understand? If the market is selling, I'm not thinking of buying. Why? Because I'm here to make money. I've seen a lot of people that when the market is selling, they are still thinking of buying. They are so in love with the particular setup and they can't just see what is happening in front of them. They want what they think to happen. I am here to react. To succeed trading full time, you must understand that money management, risk management, and trading smart is the only way. Why? Because you are going to be faced with a lot of opportunities and a lot of situations in the market. And I don't advise people to just deposit their whole 10K into one account and start trading it. Trust me, there's a strategy I call the emotional strategy. It's going to test you on those bad days, and you're going to make impulse decision that will cut deep into your trading capital. So that is why I advise depositing the $10,000 into your broker first. Then after that, open one trading account per day. You understand? There are links, there are brokers that can do this. SNES does this. The link is in the description. You can use my broker. Open your broker account, deposit your 10K there, then each day deposit $100 into a trading account. With this, you have total control over your loss, and in fact, you have more control over what you can make. You understand? You are not just you are not afraid to lose $200 because you know it is $100. King FTP did this for about a year. You know, there was a time, I think this was about 2023. I have been trading forex over the past 14 years, and trust me, whatever I'm telling you right now, I have proof, information, data to back whatever I'm saying. To survive as a full-time trader, you must have different trading accounts. You must have a big account, like let's say $20,000, where you risk conservatively, and you must have this small account that pays the bill. I'm talking about the $100 and the $200 that you trade every day. On this account, you go aggressively. I'm talking about risking a whole 100% per trade. You know, these are the account that I post the result mostly. On my big account, I hardly post the result. Why? Because most of the cash there is not even from me. These are people funds, and privacy matters a lot. But on the small accounts where I trade daily, I post those results on my Discord channel. My next video, I'll be sharing with you how to approach the market every day and what you should be looking at before placing those buy and sell orders. See you on the next one.